Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel MS Institute of English. Friends, today I am here to discuss about the usage of the. Friends, article full part 1. In that video, I have discussed about the usage of a and and I have also discussed when the is pronounced as the and when it is pronounced as the. Friends, the or the, when the singular common noun of first, once again I repeat, when the first letter of any singular countable noun is vowel sound, then we pronounce as the, and when the first letter of singular countable noun is consonant, then we pronounce as it the. And there is an exception. Friends, when we have to emphasis on any singular countable noun, then we pronounce as the. So friends, I am here with the usage of the. The first rule of the usage of the is before the names of unique things. Article the is used before the names of unique things. As for example, the sun, the moon, the star, etc. Friends, the second rule of the is before the names of rivers. As for example, the Ganga, the Yamuna, but there is exception. In English grammar, there are so many exceptions with the rules. Friends, the exception of this rule is when the name of river is related with the town or city, then the is not used before it. As for example, Delhi on Yamuna. We know that Delhi is situated on the bank of river Yamuna, so the is not used before it. As for example, Patna on Ganga. Rule number 3. Before religious books, the Ramayana, the Gita, the Bible, the Quran, so many books, religious books, we use the before them. But there is also an exception of this rule. Exception, Tulsi Ramayana. When the name of the writer is related with the book, then we don't use the. Rule number 4. The is used before the names of musical instruments. Friends, the is used before musical instruments. As for example, the violin, the tabla, the guitar, the harmonium, etc. Before the series of range of mountains, the is used before the series or range of mountains. As for example, the Himalayas, the Alps. Friends, Himalayas, Alps, these are not a single mountain. These are group of mountains, range of mountains, series of mountains. So, the is used before it. There is an exception of this rule is when the name of only one mountain is described, then we don't use the. Before the names of seas, oceans, bay or gulf. Friends, the rule 6 is the is used before names of seas, oceans, bay, gulf. The Pacific Ocean, the Red Sea, the Bay of Bengal, etc. But there is an exception. We don't use the before Hudson Bay. We don't use the before Hudson Bay. Rule number 7. The is used before the names of group of islands. Friends, rule number 7 is the is used before the names of group of islands. As for example, the Andamans, the Nicobars, the West Indies, etc. There is an exception of this rule is Java, Sumatra, Ceylon. These are not the group of islands. These are single island. So, the is not used before it. Rule number 8. Before the names of canals, aeroplanes, ships, trains, deserts. Friends, we have to use the before the names of ships, canals, aeroplanes, deserts. The Suez Canal, the Vikran, the Meghdut, the Sahara Desert, the Thar Desert, the Rajdhani Express, etc. Rule number 9. Before nationality expressing words, as for example, the English, the Asian, etc. Rule number 10. Before the names of directions. Friends, the is used before the names of directions. As for example, the sun rises in the east, the sun sets in the west. Rule number 11. Before the names of religious communities. As we know that there are many religious communities, as for example Sikh, Hindus, Muslims, Christians. So, as for example, the Hindus, the Sikhs, the Muslims, etc. Rule number 12. Before physical position expressing words. There are some words that denotes physical expression. So, physical position, that is at the top of, at the back of, at the bottom of. But there is an also exception of this rule is on top of, on top or on top of. Number 30. Before the government branches or armed forces. As for example, the police, the army, the judiciary, the executive, etc. These are the branches of government. Rule number 14. Before the names of historical empire, caste, place, dynasty, building, event, period or age. Friends, the is used before the names of historical empire, caste, place, dynasty, building, event, period or age. As for example, the Roman Empire, the Pygmies, the Chol dynasty, the Taj Mahal, the Battle of Panipat, etc. Rule number 15. Before the names of political parties, as for example, the BJP, the Congress, the RJD, the LJP, etc. Rule number 16. Before superlative degree. Friends, we know that adjectives are divided into three parts. Positive degree. In degree, we read about it. Positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. And wherever there is superlative degree, we necessarily use the before. As for example, the best boy, the poorest man, etc. Rule number 17. Before some adjectives, to make them a class of person used as plural common noun. As we know that, friends, rich, poor, sick, these are adjectives. Old, young. When the is used, they become plural common noun, and plural verbs are always used with them. Rule number 18. Before the names of newspapers, as for example, the Times of India, the Hindustan Times, the Dainik Jagran, the Prabhat Khabar, etc. Rule number 19. Before ordinal adjectives, the first Prime Minister of India, the next train, etc. There is an exception of this rule. Next, last plus time denoting words, and time denoting words like day, month, year, etc. The is not before it, the is not used with it. Friends, whenever next or last is used with time denoting words, the is not used with they. As for example, the last week, the next month. Second exception is at first and at last. These two words never used with the. Rule number 20. The is used before period of time, but the is not used before point of time. Friends, when time denoting words are used in period of time, then the is used before it. But when point of time is used, then the is not before it. The is not used before it. Rule number 21. Before the names of inventions, as for example, the TV, the radio, the torch, etc. Before comparative degree plus of the two plus plural countable noun. Friends, rule number 21 says that the is used before comparative degree plus of the two plus plural common noun. As for example, mango is the better of the two fruits. Rule number 23. Before noun plus of plus noun. As for example, noun plus of plus noun, then the is necessarily used. As for example, the Ram of the Ramana, etc. Rule number 24, friends. The structure before dot dot plus comparative degree plus subject plus verb plus comma plus dot dot plus comparative plus subject plus verb plus full stop. In this structure, the is used before comparative degree on the both sides. As for example, the higher we go, the fuller we feel. The more he gets, the more he wants. And rule number 25, when the singular countable noun is already introduced. As for example, yesterday I saw a boy. The boy was very poor. Friends, here the has been used because boy is already introduced. So friends, if you like this video, don't forget to like and share. And in the next video, I will discuss about the special rules of the as well as the omission of the. Thank you.